everyday work was planned before pandemic. And when I started this work, then pandemic hit. So I cannot find any assistance. So I need to do by myself, alone. So I need to make everything. For example, the camera systems and the props and the set and so on. And I built everything in my small home studio. And it took my 2 years. The reason is because the pandemic, I cannot find any assistance and can lower the budget and stay in control. And I can have more time to make experiments and tests. To the end, I filmed the work in around 32 cuts with high-speed camera in 240 frames per second, and through the post-production to combine all of the footage I filmed.